So if you can break down the mission from an operations point of view, basically telling the story of how you solve a problem with a satellite. And remember, it always starts with a problem that we want to solve. You will realize this by the time this course is done. It's not so obvious sometimes. And again, always goes down to the problem. What problem are we trying to solve? What problem are we trying to solve? And the way to find out is to ask yourself what you would do if space were not an option. How would you solve the problem? In the last module, I went through all the expertise needed, and basically that's who is part of the process. All of these experts. And it is in a process that is called concurrent design. Without getting into too much detail, basically this is where the engineering, the design process of the mission and the satellite is such that in a concurrent design facility, you get to, one of the things that you project is the whole system like you're seeing now, an animation thereof, just to make sure every subsystem is what it's supposed to be, all the moving parts, everything that's deployed is deployed properly, all the subsystems are there, in all their modes, all the experts are present to see that the satellite is indeed what is intended. And you can visualize this during concurrent design sessions. And then you can take this satellite, you'll certainly recognize it here on the bottom right, and animate it in a mission simulation, right? Just to make sure that the satellite does what it is intended to do. In this particular case, we're looking